The traditional village of Choirokoita is located in the Lanarka district in the southern part of Cyprus. Every year during Easter, the Christian Orthodox community prepares a local pastry called Flaouna. The families gather together on Good Friday to bake this dish. Each village and each home has its own recipe that is transferred from one generation to another. According to local beliefs, the Flaouna comes from a Greek bread that was offered to children who went singing from house to house. The tradition continued during the Byzantine times, and today, Flaounas are offered to all as a treat to announce the resurrection of Christ.
We put inside cheese from sheep and menta, eggs, Masticha and Mahlepi is aromatic for Easter, salt, sugar and vanilla. From the outside we put powder, olive oil, water, Masticha and Mahlepi. We make this for Easter. It's very traditional in Cyprus and in our village, and we put in the traditional oven.
It's very, very good. See, the outer crust is crunchy and inside it's very soft. It's cheesy and you get that excellent sesame taste. It's lovely.